Hi. You say hi? She likes the water. Cue water. Cue baby. Let's go this way. Come on. I'm gonna get you all wet if you're not careful. Oh, no. Yeah. It's fun, huh? Oh God, this is hard. I'm gonna spray her. You are getting kind of wet already. What do you see? Is that water? Are you getting sprinkled? I think you are getting sprinkled. My flowers are dying back there. Yay! Oh. I zoomed in. Sorry. I zoomed. You're getting all wet. You're getting all wet. You say water? Say water. I think you're kind of wet. Are you sprinkled on? What do you see? The wind chime? Yeah. It's funny, I know. You're all wet, silly girl. I'm gonna have to dry you off with a towel. You're soaking wet. Water. You're all sprinkled on. Water. Who's pretty? You're just on the move, love. You go, 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 huh? Over here. Leave that. Leave that. Thank you. You want the wind chime. You want me to make noise? Here, let's make noise with it. What is that? What is it? Uh-oh. Are you gonna water? Oh no. Oh no. Hold on. Here, now you can grab it. Let's see. See if you shoot yourself in the face with it. That would be hilarious. Oh God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How do we turn that on? Watch out now. Capri's gonna do some watering. Are you gonna spray Mama? You're working hard, huh? How do we make the water come out? Alright, battery's gonna die. Just a sec. Are you gonna water the plant? You have the right idea. You just gotta make the water come out, huh? Is that a leaf? What do you have? Show Mommy. What is that? Leaf. Let me see. Thank you. Here, you want back? Capri. Jeez. You want the leaf back? Muffin. What do you say? You're welcome. All right. Battery's dead.